Welcome to this tutorial on exploring the Configuration Manager in Nemo Outdoor. In this video, we'll guide you through the initial setup and customization of the measurement tool, covering essential aspects of the Configuration Manager. To access the Configuration Manager, you can either press Ctrl+M or click on the Settings button in the toolbar. Once inside the Configuration Manager, you'll notice several command buttons at the top left corner, including Auto Detect, Refresh, Property, Add, and Remove. On the left pane, you'll find a list of main configuration options. The primary configuration categories include System, User Interface, Base Station Files, Device Configuration, Devices, View Groups, Workspaces, and Measurement Servers. Let's start with the System Properties. Here, you'll find information about the computer you're working on. Next, we have Measurement Properties. By double-clicking on it, you'll access the Measurement tab in the User Interface Properties dialog. This is where you can make settings that affect all measurements. Moving on to Handler Information. Here, you'll find a list of handlers installed on your computer. Each device requires its corresponding handler to function properly in Nemo Outdoor. In the User Interface Properties General tab, you'll find various options to customize your workspace settings. In the Paths tab, you can define locations for different files, including default map, local files, and report files. You can also set default color schemes and sound files. Notifications are crucial for marking events during measurements. You can choose to receive graphical, textual, or audio notifications. Under Device Configurations, you'll find a list of saved device configuration files, the HWC. These files contain information about devices and their measurement setups. The Devices section lists all the connected devices. You can add new devices or remove existing ones. And that concludes our high-level tour of the Configuration Manager in Nemo Outdoor. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into customizing and configuring the tool for your specific environment. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Don't forget to follow us for updates. Thank you for watching.